Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Durex long-lasting lubricant. First, ensure the area where you plan to apply the lubricant is clean and dry. This helps the product adhere properly and provides the best experience. Always read the label for any specific warnings or instructions. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring maximum comfort and enjoyment. Once prepared, dispense a small amount of Durex long-lasting lubricant onto your fingertips. A few drops are usually sufficient to start. Gently apply it to the intimate areas where lubrication is desired, ensuring even coverage. You can always add more if needed during your activity. This ensures continuous comfort and a smooth experience throughout your intimate moments. For best results, apply the lubricant just before or during intimate activity. Durex long-lasting lubricant is compatible with natural rubber latex and polyisoprene condoms, making it a versatile choice. Its smooth, non-greasy formula provides a comfortable and long-lasting sensation, helping to enhance pleasure and reduce discomfort for both partners. Always prioritize safety. If you experience any irritation or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Store your Durex long-lasting lubricant in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Also, remember to keep it out of reach of children and pets to ensure everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.